Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this Market Mornings brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, the 27th of March, 2023. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope it was a great trading week for you. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes and nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure you follow along with a plan that fits your personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, here is our follow us page. Make sure you keep up with everything that's going on. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Ring that bell. You've got the other platforms on here as well, but make sure you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com where we have all of our free resources, including our Power Hour training, which we do today at noon. It's a live 1 hour training online where we go over what's going on in the market, what's going on in the economy, what's going on with stocks that we're looking at, and then you get to give me the stocks that you want me to check out, and I'll analyze those for you as well. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and jump in. We have no economic reports today. Obviously, there are some this week, but nothing today that we've got to be concerned with, which is great. That's out of the way. All right, now we look at the markets in pre-market. We're about just shy of 7 a.m. right now, Eastern. We're up about 25 points on the ES. The Dow is up 197. The NASDAQ's up 42. The RUT is up 1770. Bitcoin, they're up a little bit. They're still above 28K. Ethereum's down 50 cents. Call it 1770. Gold itself is down 33. Big hit on gold today, 1951. And crude's got a small increase, got back over $70 again a barrel to 70.12. It's up 84 cents. All right, let's go jump in and take a look at our candidates. So the very first one is Caterpillar. They got a downgrade today. They are now down $3.51. The really cool thing for them with us is they already were in a bearish bias. So I like that a lot. So they're sitting at 213 right now. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 221. All right, so that's number one. EOG, they got to maintain on their rating. Let's fix that. They got to maintain on their rating today. They're up $1.05. They already were in a bearish bias. So it puts them at 106.5. So we're above that 104. We're still down here. 106.5. Look at that. It puts it right at the 8 moving average, 106.46. Next. Well, actually, you know what? This is what we'll say on this. All right. I want the stock above 108. Then a pullback, and that pullback would be towards that 107 level, and a bounce. If we get that, then we could look at a bull put spread below 104. And I would still do it as aggressive. All right, PXD. Next on our list, also got to maintain on their rating. They're up $1.26. Same scenario. They were in a bearish bias, guys. Bearish pattern, 193.48 is their last price. We're looking at 191.08. So we did make it above the 8 moving average on this one, which is good. We've got a little way to go. Let's see, 180 to 95 is 15. We probably need to split this level in half. So we probably need to add a -5 inside of here. All right, so now we're sitting at 193.5. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 188. We're going to do it below 187. Below 187. We're going to call it aggressive because we are still in a bearish pattern with bullish news. Regeneron, they received an upgrade today. They're up $5 to $825. Very expensive on the options as far as strike prices. They're $5 increments. Here, let me just pull it over. The $5 increments and high price stock is what I meant. And you look at the bid-ask spread, some of this happening with pre-market. It wasn't this bad a few minutes ago, but we're looking at best, $3 bid-ask spread. This is why we do credit spreads instead of directional trades, is we can negotiate some of that with two different options all at the very same time. If you're not sure the how, folks, to do this, go over to the tradinglikeaboss.com site, which is where all of our free resources are, and you can download the video which shows you exactly how to do this. right? How to trade these strategies. So Regeneron, they had great news last week, right? Good moves to the upside. They're up another $5 to 825, puts them right at resistance. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 804, which means below 800, because we have $5 increments here. I've got 2.5s, but we got to get all the way down to 782.5 to find one of those. All right, next, Roku. They've received an upgrade today. Roku is up $2.13 to $62 in jingle. So $62.13 actually. Let's see. So that puts us still below. We're in a neutral bias, still below our moving averages, but right up against it. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 60, or for me, a directional option. Why? I know the stock. I trade it regularly. It's on Power Option Plays list for us. So we're going to look at this one as a potential, right, for a directional trade. And then Schwab, and that directional trade, by the way, I could be a naked put. It could be buying a call or a put, but a singular legged position instead of a married position to take on the trade. Last is Schwab. Banks are up because of First Citizens buying out the SVB assets, right? Really adding to some of their size as well. But KeyBank is up. First Republic is up. A lot of those guys are up today. Schwab has gotten hammered along the path here, right, of what's going on. I think their earnings are going to help save them a little bit. I don't think it's going to be as devastating as it has been to them since SVB. But they're only up $2.10 on that news. So where does that put us? 62. 62.13, right? So let's see. Nope, my bad. I'm still looking at Roku. 55.36. Like, wow, 62 all the way up here? That's good. 55.36. So we're still down below our 8 moving average, guys. I would need the stock to get above 59 and then a pullback, and then we could look at a credit spread, a bull put spread below 53, right? And I would do it aggressive. So this one right here, I'm just not a fan of it. I don't see that happening on Schwab. I think banking got a boost. I think they already got their number for today. I don't think we're going to see much better. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.